So people only know these assault bikes for their high intensity type training, but I'm here to say that this does not need to be the case. For instance, I love to use this to get my quote-unquote zone 2 cardio in. What I'm doing is I'm not going on heart rate per se, because that is basically what you're doing with zone 2, but here I try to find like a perfect amount of wattage. So for me that's going to be around 120, 150. And I try to do this for half an hour and I focus on breathing through my nose. You don't need to go ham on this. You're still using your arms and your legs, so you're incorporating your full body. So you're already going to burn a lot more calories than just a stationary bike, but you don't need to be going all out on this thing. You can also do this like very quietly, very relaxed, very chill. Put some music on, maybe watch a movie or something. Just go slow and controlled. I just make sure that I keep breathing through my nose, and that is a good indicator that I'm not pushing it too much. Now obviously you don't want to go too slow because then you're not getting anything out of it. But basically you find like a good comfortable wattage, and what I like to do is like just do 30 minutes, and every single week 30 minutes. This is my sesh. I also have a rower. I don't like this to do long bouts of training with, so the Airbike is perfectly. It's repetitive, it's cyclic. Even though the rower is more, I find, like a repetition type of beast, this is cyclic. I really like this to do 30 minutes on end. So yeah, quick video for you guys, but really don't let yourself get fooled. You don't have to get an Airbike and a Peloton bike to get your zone 2 cardio in and to get your interval training in. No guys, you don't need two pieces of equipment, just one is more than enough. This does the thing for sure. So I hope you liked this little quick video. Try to use your home gym equipment for more than one purpose, and that's what I'm doing. This is my warm-up thing, this is also my zone 2 cardio thing, and if I really want to do interval training besides jiu-jitsu, this is also going to be where I'm at. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Are you also using the Airbike as your zone 2 cardio piece of equipment? Let me know in the comments down below, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!